Why are we not talking more about survival in extreme scenarios? Imagine a world turned upside down. Are you ready? Welcome to your essential guide to surviving the unthinkable. You Will Survive Doomsday by Bruce Beach isn't just a book, it's a survival manual for the worst case scenarios. From building radiation-proof shelters to sourcing water post-apocalypse, this book covers it all. Learn to distinguish edible plants, create energy sources, and communicate without modern technology. But why stop at just surviving? This guide teaches you to thrive, rebuild communities, develop barter systems, and ensure long-term survival with strategies proven by survival experts. Curious? Check the link in our bio to grab your PDF copy of You Will Survive Doomsday. Remember, it's not about if, but when. Don't just survive, thrive. Survival Guide, Doomsday, Prep, Bruce Beach.